Welcome to our series on healthcare robotics. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that's transforming the landscape of emergency response and disaster relief: medical drones. Imagine a world where life-saving supplies can reach those in need within minutes, no matter the obstacles on the ground. This is the reality that medical drones are creating. These incredible devices are not just a glimpse into the future. They're here now, making a real impact. Medical drones are revolutionizing the delivery of critical supplies, including blood, vaccines, and essential medications, in hard-to-reach remote areas or disaster zones where traditional transportation is slowed or blocked. Drones can fly directly to the target location, ensuring timely delivery of vital resources. This ability to bypass ground-level challenges is a game changer in emergency response. One of the most remarkable aspects of medical drones
is their speed.
In situations where every second counts,
Drones can dramatically reduce
the time it takes to get supplies from point A to point B. For example, in cases of severe bleeding and the rapid delivery of blood, drones are
can mean the difference. Also being used to
between
transport
life medical samples quickly. In areas hit by outbreaks,
they can carry diagnostic samples
to labs much faster than conventional methods,
significantly speeding up the diagnosis and treatment process.
This is particularly crucial in containing the spread of diseases
and providing timely care.
Medical drones are not limited to rural or remote areas. In busy urban settings, they can navigate through traffic and congestion, ensuring that emergency supplies reach hospitals and clinics swiftly. This versatility makes them an invaluable tool across various environments. Let's not forget the role of drones in disaster relief. After natural disasters like earthquakes, floods, or hurricanes, infrastructure can be severely damaged, making it difficult for rescue teams to reach affected areas. Drones can be deployed to deliver food, water, and medical supplies, providing immediate relief to those stranded or injured. The use of drones in emergency response is still evolving, but the potential is immense. As technology advances, we can expect drones to become even more integrated into our healthcare systems, offering faster, more efficient solutions in crisis situations. Thank you for joining us in exploring the future of medical drones. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of healthcare robotics. Together, let's look forward to a future where technology and compassion work hand in hand to save lives.